In this video, we will demonstrate how to use the Smart View feature on Samsung Galaxy phones. Let's get started. This feature allows you to wirelessly mirror your Samsung Galaxy phone's screen onto a larger display, such as a smart TV. Now, let's proceed to understand how to use it. Firstly, ensure that both your smart TV and Samsung Galaxy phone are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Once connected, swipe down on your Samsung Galaxy phone's home screen to access the Quick Settings menu. Tap on the Smart View tile located at the bottom left corner, and confirm once again. Your phone will begin scanning for nearby compatible devices. Once it detects your TV, tap on its name. A pop-up will appear on your phone's screen. Tap on Start Now. You may need to enter a PIN or select Allow on your TV screen to establish the connection. That's it! Your phone screen will now be mirrored on the larger display. This video is guaranteed to help you make the most of the Smart View feature. For more tech tips and tricks, subscribe to Guiding Tech and discover one of these videos handpicked just for you.